Well, Tricia, I see you're getting a little bit of raking done, a little cleanup, huh?
Well, actually, I'm gathering up these leaves to use next year for compost.
Okay, now, well, if you're going to compost them, if they're going to rot anyway, why not just leave them on the ground?
Hey, Danny, there are a lot of bad things that can happen if we leave it on the ground. There are lots of pests and things that can go if you just leave them right on the ground.
Okay, well, I know you have your compost pile already set up. You've used some old wooden pallets there, so I guess you'll just take the leaves and dump them right on top.
Well, I've definitely done that before, you know, kind of compost lasagna. But this year I'm trying something different. I'm putting them in these black plastic bags. I've already tied one up, as you can see, and I am going to store them for a year. Because you know what, Danny? Leaves break down in a different way than the rest of the compost matter that you actually, you know, put in there, like vegetable matter.
I see.
The things in a compost break down because of bacteria, and leaves have leaf mold, so they break down at a different rate. And sometimes if you look at compost, you'll see that everything's broken down except the leaves.
But I thought in a compost bin like that, you're encouraging the water and the air to get in there, but here you're going to close all that off.
Yeah, sunlight, air, and water, those are the components of what happens in the compost bin. But here we're going to, as I said, tie up the bag. It's sealed. We're going to put some slits in it, so it's still going to get the air, a little bit of water from maybe some rain, but it doesn't need sunlight because it deals with fungus rather than bacteria.
And then when you use it, you can mix a little of this and a little of that to accomplish just what you want.
Yeah, it'll be great planting matter for next year.